Had to park a couple of 100 yards away from the official car park. No spaces left. So even though it's midweek, it's someone else has got the same idea. Other people had the same idea as me. I go for a walk towards the Rhinog Mountains. That's Rhinog Vawr up there. Okay, so this is a good walk if you like looking at the Rhinog Mountains, and I do. I won't be, of course, climbing them. Those days have gone for me. I'll be just doing a circular walk on forestry roads in this forest area beneath the eastern slopes of the Rhinogs. I've only been on this walk less than 10 minutes, and I've already, or they've passed me, or I passed them, or they've passed me, 4 walkers. So hiking's getting, hiking and walking's getting more and more popular as each year goes by. Unfortunately, the first part of this walk is through on a forest road, but there's no view because of trees on either side. So nothing much to write home about, I'm afraid. Since leaving the car park, maybe 15 or 20 minutes ago, I've been climbing gradually uphill, a gradual ascent. I think maybe a total of 300 foot of ascent before I start descending again. Okay, the rugged, rocky crags of the northern Rhinogs are coming into view. A very gradual ascent on this forest road. But I've reached the top now, and it's I think mainly downhill from now on. As I turn the corner, the Rhinogs, I think that's Rhinog, yes, Rhinog Vawr, Rhinog Vawr. Yeah, I like it. I like that mountain. You can't see. It's a much better outline from this side, the eastern side, from the other side. And this is, I think, probably the most popular start at the car park down below for climbing the Rhinogs. The northern Rhinogs again in sunshine, but there's a patch of cloud currently overhead at the moment. Okay, so there's several mountains. I think that's Rhinog. That one there, it's the highest of the Rhinog Mountains, 2,475 feet above sea level. Now the forest has been largely cleared at this point, so there's more views to be seen. I think that's Cadidris. Well, you can't quite see it's behind that tree. Yeah, so that's a good view there of the Welsh wilderness, right there. Yeah. That patch of cloud has gone by, and the Rhinog, that one ahead is Rhinog Vach. That's currently in silhouette. Nice day for walking today, the 25th of October, and it's about 50 degrees maybe. Just a very, very slight breeze, And that's ahead of me now, looking a lot more foreboding, is Rhinog. Yeah, so, yeah, no problem in the old days, scramble up it, but now well, it's just as enjoyable really, in fact maybe more enjoyable, just look at the mountain scenery from below. Okay, continue on this walk. I have of course done this walk on video before, got it uploaded, but this is always worth repeating. Okay, so I'm not sure if that's Ledra or there's another mountain, second highest mountain in the range, differs a bit further along. Now if there's a spot here somewhere, I'll have a break. I haven't gone too far, but normally I have a snack, you know, around 1 o'clock every day. This is a four-way junction. I'll be going down there. I'm only doing a short walk, and that's the pass that goes up to, I believe it's Nankol, yeah. Yeah, so that signs the name of the pass in Welsh, and the sign of a waterfall that way, which I'll have a look at on the way down. The last time I came here, not all that long ago, I climbed up to that pass, I think. Okay, return alongside this stream, past the waterfall and back to the car. A pleasant little gravel path here along the side of this waterfall. Not waterfall, stream. Let's see if I can, I haven't found that spot there, I could have a little break yet. You must have just heard me say I was looking for a spot, and here it is. Yeah, muy bien. Yeah. Thank you very much. Okay, that was a nice little break, only a few minutes, and yeah, that's haven't seen any walkers. I think most people that park in the car park are kind of either going to climb that mountain there, which is Rhinog Vawr, or the next one over, Rhinog Vach. Okay, so let's have a look at this waterfall. I think it's just down here. Might be a better view from down below. Yeah, it's only a little waterfall. A few days ago it would have been quite impressive after that heavy rain we had. It's still nice, a nice position. The name of that waterfall is Pistil Gwyn, and that's a footpath. It just now comes out onto this forest track, or road you could say. It's very good condition. Over there is a former farm, now converted, or now operating as an Airbnb. I think it's quite popular as an Airbnb. The way that Airbnb is in a converted barn next to the cottage itself. just as a qualification to what I said. Okay, I don't think I've got too far now to go to the car. Nice walk, 25th of October. They'll be putting the clocks back in 2 or 3 days. So then you'll be winter walking then, you could say. But there's my car parked just there. I cut about 200 yards off this walk because I couldn't get a spot in the car park. All right, trusty signpost there. The other sign there, Bulch Dudders, or did we, is, let's see, I think that's the, yeah, which one's that? That's the, confused now, there's 2 mountain passes over there. One goes down into Cwm Nancol and the other goes down into Cwm Buchan. That's where I went up there. Okay, end of walk. Thanks for watching.